So we shot this repair video. This is a pool that we did a leak detection on, and it is a fiberglass coated over a concrete pool. A lot of times you got to be careful with these, especially on inspections or leak detections, is that they cover up a lot of structural repairs. So in other words, the pool had structural issues. Back in the day, they used to fiberglass coat these pools. So it is a gel-coated covered pool, but it's a concrete pool. It's not a fiberglass shell. Anyway, here's one. They fixed it with bubble gum. Check out how we got this job done. We torque locked it in the back. We did our patchwork. Check it out. So again, here's what the bubble gum fix looks like. Again, this was all fiberglass. You can see how it's a little faded and from the sun. So we're tapping it out, listening for hollow spots. Once we find them, then we know what area we have to cut out. We had some loose material behind these tiles as they sounded hollow, and now we're going to take a nice clean cut to pull this fiberglass out of the way and see what we have going on in the back. Again, it comes off like a sheet, as you could see. Now what we're going to do is set our torque locks into the structural crack that we had running down right where you saw it in front of the fiberglass. We set our torque locks in. We have a controlled compression. Check out all our videos for that. So now we're actually cover those up with hydraulic cement, and we're going to do our cement patch before we go to waterproofing the area. We like to get a nice good coat of waterproofing on there in case anything else cracks, it won't leak again. We're going to mortar up the bond beam so we can set our tile, and this is what the patch actually looks like when we're done. Again, you have UV damage on the rest of the fiberglass, and this will definitely even out.